In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supermetrics to Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get the connector set up and ready so you can start bringing your marketing and analytics data into Power BI with confidence. First, open Power BI Desktop and head to the Home ribbon. At the far left, you'll see the Get Data button. Click that to open the Data Connection window. This is where Power BI lists all the connectors it supports, and Supermetrics is one of them. In the search box near the top, type Supermetrics. When you see the Supermetrics connector appear in the results, select it and click Connect. If it's your first time using this connector, Power BI may display a message explaining that this is a third-party connector. That's completely normal. It's simply letting you know that the connector is built by Supermetrics and will establish a secure link to their service. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in. This is an important step. Make sure you sign in with the same account you use in the Supermetrics hub. If you use single sign-on, choose the same identity provider you use there, either Microsoft or Google, so that your credentials match and your access carries over correctly. If you're part of an organization, you might notice your company's branding during the login process. That's just your SSO doing its job. Take a moment to confirm you're logging into the right account to avoid permission issues later. After you complete the sign-in, Power BI will return you to the connector dialog. Click Connect again to finalize the authorization. Think of this as confirming both the connector and your account are good to go. Power BI needs that second confirmation to establish a trusted connection with Supermetrics and prepare the session for data access. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see Supermetrics in the list, double-check that you're running a recent version of Power BI Desktop and that you type the name correctly in the search field. Also, if your organization has strict security policies, that third-party connector notice may appear every time. That's expected and safe to continue if your admin allows it. And remember, using the same account as your Supermetrics hub is the key to a smooth connection, especially when your data sources are managed centrally. That's it. Your Supermetrics connector is now connected to Power BI, and you're ready for your next steps in building reports and dashboards.